Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to calculate this expression 27 divided by 1 over 3 then times 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's get it started. We have here 1 over 3 times 3. We can easily cancel this 3 and this 3. So 27 divided by just 1, and this is equal to 27. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, okay, 27 divided by 1 over 3. And here, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 27 divided by 1 over 3, according to the KCF rule, can be written as 27 times just 3 and again times 3. No, 27 times 3 gives us 81, and 81 times 3, which equals 243. Okay, so our final answer to this problem is 243.